What's up, guys? For today's video, I will be doing a eyeshadow look using the beautiful Bloodlust palette by Jeffree. And yeah, I kind of just want to do these I'm going to be doing these daily just so I can do different looks so you guys can see how the colors perform and all that, because I feel like it's kind of hard to use every color in one video, you know? So yes, I have it right here. I do want to do something smoky, and I definitely want to use that green, the Vile Serpent one, because I haven't used that one yet, and I'm only trying to use like shades like one at a time, kinda. So let's go in. So the first thing is that I went in with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I don't know how I want to go about this. So I think what I'm going to do, so I feel like I want to go in with Vile Serpent, the green one. And I feel like I want to include Scandal Water, like maybe like blending it out somehow. Let's see, so I want to do that. Probably including Bleeding Heart. I think I want to do Bleeding Heart in the inner corner. I think that with like a green smoky eye would look so good. So, okay. So what I'm going to do first is go in with this brush. This is a Real Techniques, I don't know, it looks like a packer brush, but it honestly looks so janky. So I'm just gonna rub off whatever color is on the back of it onto my hand, and then so I'm just gonna go straight into Vile Serpent because I want that to be like the main color. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna kind of like pat this on my lid. I feel like a soft wash. Okay. So I'm just gonna get so I'm just gonna use this to like blend it to like a sheer color, and then I'll start to like really pack it on. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this. This is a Sonia Kashuk large eyeshadow brush that I got from Target. I'm gonna go back in with Vile Serpent. What the heck? There's like shimmer on it. So I'm just gonna use this to really emphasize the color on my lid. Yeah, so kind of just like, you see the difference already? That's insane. So I usually like to go in with like the same shade but like blend it out slightly, because it already like instantly blended. When you just do a soft wash and then you pop the same color just deeper in the middle, it just instantly looks more blended. But dude, that shade looks so cool. Huh. Does it look like that? No. And then I'm gonna get a crease fluffy brush, and then I'm just gonna go in with Scandal Water, and then I really want to like push that into the crease to combine the Vile Serpent shade. So I'm just gonna use that to like blend it out further. Honestly, I don't know if I want to like even add stuff to this because I just like it like that. Whatever. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. I like that. It's like pulling it like more blue. And then just really pull this out. Oh, this blue is so nice. I just love how smoky it can get. Yeah, I definitely love that. So on camera it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, like the blue is kind of peeking out over here. But I need to buff it up a little bit more just because like it's being covered. So I'm gonna go in with Scandal Water again, and then start back here, and then just like work my way up but higher. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm just gonna kind of marry the Vile Serpent and Scandal Water together on my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with the same Sonia Kashuk brush that I was using to pat on the Vile Serpent shade. And I'm gonna do the same thing again just to re-emphasize it. But as I'm patting, I'm just gonna take it up a little bit more just to kind of combine the colors again. I really want the green to like come through, you know? It's very like deep, grungy mermaid look. Very cool. Very cool. I love it. I'm really feeling this look. What the heck? I feel like smoky eyes are so fast to do. You literally just put one color, blend it out, put it again. That's it. You're done. So I'm gonna get Vile Serpent again, but I'm gonna get it on a like a smaller brush. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe E36. Grab Vile Serpent. I usually like using this brush for my inner corner or the lower lash line, just because it's so small. So let's work that. I'm gonna look up. So I think I'm gonna go like that. I don't want to like take it too far because I do really want to like deepen it. Alright. Okay, so I really like how that is looking so far. Okay. Wow. It's so crazy how different like the eyes look, you know? Like comparing on like how you do it. Because I feel like this one feels like it's lifted higher. And this one feels like lower. Because I heard if you put dark shadow here, it brings down your eye. But like right here, you can actually see it. Like it's so weird, you know? What do you guys think? This one is so cool. I don't know why. I'm like really feeling it. So, okay, so we got that. Then I'm gonna go in with I don't know if I want to take Scandal Water like around and hook it. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna get Scandal Water again. And then this is like a little really soft Real Techniques brush. I don't know what it's called though. It doesn't have like anything on it. So I'm gonna go here, and then I'm just gonna kind of like massage that under Vile Serpent. And just to like connect them a little bit. Okay. I feel like that's fine. Like it doesn't have to be so crazy. And I want to add like a pop of red in the inner corner. Let's go in with this. So I'm going to go in with this. It's the same collection from Sephora that used the glitter applicators. But this one is like a little ball sphere. It's like that. Like, and then this one's like flat. So I'm going to go this one because I feel like it'd be better for the inner corner. And I'm going to grab the... I'm going to grab Bleeding Heart. Bleeding Heart is more of like a satin. Okay. Yeah, so it's like a satin. So it's not like too shiny, but it's not like... Yeah, so I'm just kind of like tapping and rubbing it. And that looks cool. I think I really want to get that color concentrated, so I'm going to take my pinky and then just really go into that shade and then just get up in there. It's like massage it. I think I like that better. Cool beans. I don't know why. I really like that red in her corner. I'm really feeling it. Alright, so that is 2 looks of the palette. This is the Smokey Eye. I only used 3 colors. Came out super easy. But you could obviously use like something different. Like you could switch that with something a little bit more normal. Oh my god, I forgot. I need to apply my highlighter. Doy. So this is one of the highlighters that I came out with. This is probably like my best selling one, just because it fits so many skin tones. It kind of reminds me of like that Amarizi ABH highlighter. So I'll just like, they are loose formulas. So I ended up getting this brush. I don't know from where, but it's like a fan brush, I want to say. Yeah, it's like, and what I like to do for like a soft highlighted look is that I will kind of just like have the highlighter and I'll like tap it in, right? And then I'll kind of just like hit like that. And then I like to really like massage it up here just to give it that like overall dewy. Oh, that looks so good. Dude, that looks insane. And then I'll just take it up to the temple and then just massage it. This isn't like a thing that I really like to... Like if I'm going to use this brush, it's going to go basically all over my face because I want to look like juicy, you know? This is like my favorite highlighter to like do that with. Oh, and then something else that I did with this highlighter was that I mixed it with like a face oil, and I wasn't wearing any makeup, and I kind of just like put it on, And oh my god, it looks so pretty. And then because I do have a big schnoz, what I like to do is I will only hit right here, not right here, because I don't want to emphasize this. So I'll just go right there. Sometimes I just can't stop putting on highlighter, you know? Okay. Cool. So I think that's gonna be it. Oh my god, you know what this reminds me of? I don't know why, but like there was like a piranha movie that came out like a while ago. I think it's just called Piranhas. But I don't know why this is giving me like piranha vibes with like blood in the water. Am I crazy? Or is that kind of like legit? But alrighty guys. I feel like I'm rambling. I'm gonna get going. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Comment which one you guys like better because honestly, I don't know. They're both really pretty. This doesn't even look like it came from the the thing. Like it's crazy, you know? Alright, guys. I will talk to you later. I love you guys.